Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix a supported game is required to use this feature on Nvidia. So first of all, you want to open up your Nvidia application and you want to go to settings and make sure to turn off Nvidia overlay temporarily. After you've done that, you want to also go to the search bar and write down services. Open it. Once you are on services, you want to press anywhere and press N on your keyboard. Now you want to find Nvidia display container, double click on it, make sure the startup type is automatic and the service status is running, click apply and OK. And the same for local system container, it should be automatic and the service status is running. After you've done that, you want to go ahead and restart your PC. After you've done that, you can try to turn it back on and see if the problem was fixed or not. If the problem is still not fixed, go to drivers and find game ready driver and make sure to install it. So if this video was helpful guys, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time.